This is not even remotely what I expected. Oh hey, it's Wes, and today we're going to be heating things up a little bit. It's time for the overheating torture test, and at 600 watt seconds, I'm going to be burning my retinas right out. I did borrow this AD600 original BM from my friend Philip, but he didn't want me to do the overheating torture test on it. I get that. So all I did was test the color stability and so forth. For the full review coming up next, subscribe for that. I hate how the handle on that thing always pinches your hands. So glad they fixed that on this one. And so, we're going to compare the 600BM with the original AD600 Pro, because some people think that they're the same on the inside, and I think we're about to discover something about that. We are firing at 1/2 power, in sync, every 4 seconds with an intervalometer. As you can see, neither of them are having any issue with this whatsoever. Now, most of my overheating torture tests only last for a few minutes, but these are huge lights. I was hoping that at 1/2 power, it would struggle a little bit, because, you know, proportionally, it's still a half of their power. But no, these things are made to go. All right, here we are at about 10 minutes in, and we finally have some fan action. The AD600 Pro is using its fan, but the new BM is not. Interesting. I thought that the BM would have more trouble because it has a lower voltage system. Lower voltage usually means more heat if you're pushing the same amount of power. They're still going strong here. This is really surprising to me. The BM is now cycling much faster than the 600 Pro. I did not expect that at all. Oh, just come in and right under the wire now on the 600 Pro. It failed. That was 10 minutes and 36 seconds. We have a loss for the 600 Pro. The BM has defeated it, but how much longer can it go? Now what's interesting is that the battery on the BM is showing less than half full, when both of these flashes have fired the exact same number of flashes in my color uniformity tests that have gotten them down to this level. So it's very interesting. It's a much more pessimistic battery meter, which is fine. I found that the battery meters on these large monolights from Godox tend to be overly optimistic until they're almost dead. So I would rather it be somewhere in the middle, please. Okay, this is completely insane. We're almost at 20 minutes now, and the recycle time just isn't changing. And the flash itself, none of the external components are showing more than 35 degrees Celsius, which is not very hot. It's barely warm to the touch. Well, I think that if we keep on going, I'm going to deplete the battery before this thing even dies. I have to draw the line at 20 minutes. This thing beat the overheating torture test in sync.
Well, I guess
let's take a few hours, recharge the batteries. We're going to come back in high-speed sync torture test. Same 1/2 power, this time in high-speed sync. Far more torturous. Again, we have the fan coming on the 600 Pro earlier than the 600BM. And the 600BM does not even seem to be breaking a sweat. It is cycling so much faster. What is going on here? Wait a second. Ugh. And there we have, at 4 minutes and 34 seconds, the 600 Pro again fails before the BM II. I'm getting tired of calling this a BM. I'm sorry my tripod is shaking. My cat will not stop rubbing himself against it. Apparently I should have used a full-on video tripod instead of a travel tripod for this. Okay, once again, it is not getting very hot. We are not even at 35 degrees Celsius anywhere on the body of this flash unit. And recycle speed has not changed. Oh, and for the first time we are getting the overheating warning. Does that mean we're finally going to overheat this flash? I mean, it's blinking, but it's not stopping. No, it's still well within the recycle time here. It's having no trouble meeting 4 seconds. It's like 2 seconds every time. Let's crank this up. We're going to 1/1 power. We've got to find a way to stop this flash. Is it going to do it? It's still having no trouble at all. Wait, I think it's starting to slow down a little bit now. Fan's on. I mean, that's something, right? Now the fan has turned on, turned off, turned on, turned off. Like, it's just lazily cycling itself. This is insane. It's just not hot at all. It's warm. It's just warm. No, it's not gonna fail. It just won't cross that 4-second threshold. That is insane. So 10 minutes at 1/2 power, 2 more minutes at full power. This light just won't stop. I don't know. So, AD600BM II, 1, Wes Perry, 0. You have won. You have beat the AD600 Pro, and you have beat me. Congratulations. The first flash of any kind to defeat the overheating torture test. This is not even remotely what I expected. I thought that the higher voltage from the 600 Pro would easily best the lower voltage battery pack of the 600BM II. I was wrong. Clearly something very different going on over here. Maybe it's a glitch. Maybe the new firmware will stop this from happening. I hope not. I hope that this is the future, that the fan will just be powerful enough to keep it cool, to keep running without severe throttling. That's insane. If you want to pick one of these up, link down in the description below to help support this channel and feed my fat cats. If you want to pick up my t-shirt, link down below as well. And please subscribe, stick around. Got the full review for this in depth coming out very soon. I'm actually recording it right after this video. So there you have it. Until next time, whoa, let's go repeatedly take some photos.